welcome to our first lesson. So for today's lesson, I will show you how to download and install Inkscape. So what you want to do is go to your web browser and go to Google and type in Inkscape. Then you want to click the first one here, inkscape.org. Click on it and it should go to the website, Inkscape website. Now you want to click download now and it should direct you to the download page, and then click on the Windows. Next, we'll click on the 64-bit. But if you're not sure between these two, you can always go here and find out. So for now, just click on the 64-bit and it will link you to this page. And you want to download the .exe format. And then the download should start. And you want to make sure you save it in the downloads folder here. And save. But since I already have it, so I'll just click no. Then you want to go to your folder. Click on the Inkscape file here. Double click on it. And wait for it to load. And then just click yes. And this screen should show up. And what you want to do is just click next. I agree. Then create Inkscape desktop icon. Then next. Then destination folder. Make sure it's in your C drive and program files Inkscape. And you will need about 503.9 MB size. Make sure you have that. Then you just click next, and get there, and then click next. Install. Then wait for it to install. And once you finish installing, this screen should show up, and click on Run Inkscape, and then click on Finish, and that should open the Inkscape application. Now we just wait for a while. And then it should show up like this. And that is it for our lesson 1 on how to download and install Inkscape. Thank you.